Here's how to add admin commands in your Roblox game. So first you will need to open Roblox Studio and then open your game if you have one here. Otherwise you can use the template in here. So I'm going to open the template and then on the top here click on View and then click on Toolbox. Make sure it's enabled and you should see this window down here. Now you will need to select models and then look for admin and then press enter, and you should see this HD admin icon in here. You'll simply need to click on it, hold the mouse down and then drag it to the game world. Now you can press OK. Now you will simply need to hide this object so it's not visible to other players. You can simply drag it under the world or drag it up to the sky. Now you will need to simply go to the Explorer on the right side and then you will see HD admin folder. You can expand it and double click on the settings file, and here you will see the ranks for the admins from 0 to which is a normal player to 5 which is the owner. To give admin with highest privileges, you will need to consider giving head admin by specifying usernames in here for players that need to be admin. For example, my own account here, I need to copy this username, not the actual profile name, and then go back in here and paste it next to the rank I want. And then you can separate them by a column. You want to give multiple people the admin rank, and then you can simply press or paste player's ID as well for this to work. Now you'll simply need to save the settings and then close this file, and you can simply click on the play button and wait for it to load. Now you should see the icon next to the chat, and it should send you a notification that your rank is the owner by default because you created this. You can simply click on the notification or click on the HD icon here, and now you can scroll and use whatever command you would like to use. So you can use any of these commands, and for example the jail, it will put you in a jail like this. That's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.